Pepe family, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support as always. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at Pepe right now as of recording this update and really understand what's happening going into Thursday morning. So, Pepe is up 12% today. Yes, you've heard that correct. So a lot of haters, and believe it or not, there are a lot of haters recently, for a lot of coins across the board. And I've seen this happen day in, day out, pretty much over the last year and a half to almost 2 years at this point. But remember, when the market is booming, everyone is a moon boy. But when the market tends to go down, the people that are still holding, the ones that are understanding how the crypto market works and, are holding on to, their bags. Remember, at the end of the day, do your due diligence, research, and invest what you can afford to lose. And patience is your number one key to follow. The people that follow those steps are the ones that tend to do good in the long haul. You're looking at, Pepe up 12% right now, which of course is great to see. I know a lot of people are going to be like, is this a time to be getting overly excited? In terms of getting overly excited, not yet. Because of course, I look at some other factors. I look at some of the other things, I need to happen in order for me to get overly excited. But as of now, again, a 12% increase is definitely something we will take with the price of Pepe. So as far as obviously the monthly time frame is concerned and over the weekly, you want to remember 32% decrease over the last 1 month for Pepe. So, those are factors I don't want you two guys to be forgetting. But the price is currently sitting back about 7,100, still 5 zeros in front of the price. As mentioned, up 12.1% in USD comparative, up 11% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. The valuation sitting at $3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at $1.1 billion. Amazing strength once again coming for Pepe. Fingers crossed as of now. But like I said, in order to get overly excited, that's not the moment to be doing so just yet. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So holder count, 411,936 holders, obviously increasing day in, day out. We actually saw a little bit of a decline in the holder count over the last 24 hours. But in the grand scheme of things, guys, holder count is increasing day in, day out, which of course is always nice to point out. But as far as the broader meme coin market is concerned, we're actually seeing a lot of meme coins having a field day. You're looking at XPX 6900 up 15%. You're looking at Fartcoin, Sneak, a lot of top gainers. Toshi up 37.5%. I never really got into looking into this coin, but great. Anyone that's holding that, I'm sure is having an exciting day, of course. But yeah, a lot. Majority of the coins in the last 24 hours are seeing some gains. So of course, this brings the question: is this the time to be getting overly excited? Is this the switch for the market? The reversal that a lot of people are waiting, because let's face it, the last month, a little bit over a month has been quite bearish, like in general, in the bigger perspective. We actually have seen quite downside for the market. So in terms of where we were a few months back, compared to where we are right now, there is a big difference. But again, green day will take, and in terms of top 10 meme coins, I think we're just behind SPX. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, so SPX is the leader in terms of the gainer, but we need to understand how big of a deal this really is. XPX only has a valuation of 310 million, while Pepe has a valuation of $3 billion. So 10x difference. And so the fact that it's up 11.6% just in the last 24 hours is something I don't want you guys to be forgetting, and understanding that this is a big thing. But with that said, let's really take a look at what's happening with our good old friend Pepe's price right now. And of course, one other positive thing that I want to point out is the volume is pretty much close to Dogecoin, and it's actually more than Trump coin as well. So again, these are factors we'll never forget, and your boy got you covered when we are making these analysis updates. But anyhow, we're looking at the overall dominance itself. You're looking at the dominance, picking up traction right now. Dominance is actually sitting at some of the levels we haven't seen since February. So in terms of the dominance, we are, still quite high. And obviously, in terms of getting overly excited for the overall market, even though we are seeing a green day, I think we still need more confirmation, especially for the dominance to start pulling down. But the BTC was able to reclaim back in the 23.6, which of course is nice to see. Again, long ways to go, but we'll take it as of now. As far as the price of Pepe is concerned, Pepe did make its way down to the 52.27 zone. So I'm very impressed with myself here. Reason why I say that is because I was I was literally calling literally from this range. I would actually say around this range, the potential of us, falling down to the likes of 44.58. Even though we did not get to the 44.58 zone, we did come very, very close to that range. Of course, this upwards trend that we were in. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. It has been invalidated, believe it or not. That it doesn't mean that if we do tend to see the pattern invalidated, that the prices could not potentially make its way towards the upside. That's not what it means. But of course, this is something that I want you guys to be aware of. This upward trajectory that we were in pretty much since the beginning of last year, or quarter four of 2025, 2023. This upward trend that we were in since then, that upward trajectory has been invalidated. So of course, that is something that I will never ignore. So that is something I want you guys to know. But from this, wick that we did see on just a few days back, we have seen Pepe go up 36%, guys. So, quite a big move for Pepe right now. And of course, we are coming across major key resistance. So I'm not surprised, where we're finding a little bit of a hard time around the 74, 71 zone. Quite significant amount of resistance at that range. But if this resistance is able to turn into support, believe it or not, I think, the price of Pepe could start heading up to this 100. So like knock out another zero out of the price. Again, those are some factors we need to keep in mind. Of course, there's a lot of confirmation we need to wait for. Bitcoin to remain within the 38.2, maybe consolidate within this range, slowly but surely make its way back towards the upside. But dominance needs to pull down. Very important. But let me know down below what you guys think. So far, so good. Great day for Pepe holders. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.